and Imelda's cat. Tonight we are going to Valencia to get some food and some other stuff. Today we're going to eat. We are going to get some food. Dina! Some corn. Hello. So ngalan ano daw? Valichon. Valichon. Meaning roast pig. Look at this line. People. Oh my gosh. They eat it by hand. Look at this. Oh wow. So look at these people. They're all eating here. Oh, they have jelly pig. They're all pigs. Roasted pigs. Oh my god. So right here we have to get some tables. We have to get some tables over here. So we have to get some tables. Look at these people. Oh my god. Let me see. So it's like first come first serve. Valencia. Welcome to Valencia. Oh, I think this is so good over here. This is like survival, like lava of people. Look at this. These are like lava of people over here. Oh my god. Look. People like you have to eat here. And you have to find your own table to eat. And if you don't have a table, you have to stand. And you're eating by hand. No fork, no spoons, nothing. Okay, so I guess we have to go get some orders. We have to go get some food. Okay, jelly pig. Okay, where's the line? I mean, look at these people. They're like, look. Are you guys in line?
Yes.
Okay. Julie Pig. So you think Julie Pig is Julie Pig? Julie Pig! We are going to have a Julie Pig. A Julie Pig, yeah. So, do you think this is good? Julie Pig?
Lion.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that means that's good. When you see a big line, that means that's good. So I guess we don't have a table, so we have to stand around. So we're changing our mind. We have to go over here on the other one. So where's the line? Look at this. That's the light. Okay, so I guess we're gonna go eat somewhere else because we don't have a table. So look at this food. What are those?
16, 17, 16. And this thing. Chicken is this thing.
Oh, those are chicken guts.
Yeah.
And those are pork.
Yeah.
And that's menudo. And what is that? Little Express. So that's the same thing. Look at this Okay. So I guess we're going somewhere else because we don't have a table over here. Look at these people. Look at these people. This is called Sibaan. Look at these people that are eating here. Holy moly. And you cannot even get a table. So I guess we have to go somewhere else to eat. Okay, say goodbye to Sibaan. No table for us, so we're going somewhere else. What's over here? Nay. What's over here? What's this? Oh, look at those. Oh, wow. Okay, so we went to that restaurant. It's called, what was that? Nivas. Nivas, they don't have a table for us either. So we're still gonna have to hunt our food somewhere else. They have plants over here. They are selling these plants. And they are so pretty. Pretty, pretty. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Okay.
Oh, look at this. Different kinds of machete.
Ooh.
Yeah. Those are machetes. Holy cow. Oh yeah.
Huh?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. To go back because we can't find a restaurant, so we have to go back to this. Welcome to Valencia. If you want to come to Valencia, this is the place you want to be. Look at this lava of people over here that's trying to eat and find something, find tables and everything. Look at them. Finally, we had our food. Ano dito? Potato.
Nice or cream?
Now, 50, 60.
50, 60, 60, 50. Potatoes? You want potatoes? 60,
Yes, ma'am.
50. You want 60?
50.
So these are potato chips.
Yes.
You know I'm from Idaho, the potato states. Okay, so one for you, 150.
150. Sour cream. Arang, give me.
50. So that's what? Sour cream?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
This is how they make the potato chips over here. Isn't that cool? Really cool. What's your name?
I'm Vic.
Anvi?
Yeah, George Paul.
George Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Jordan Paul.
Jordan Pool. Swimming pool, huh? One for her.
Please.
You want what?
Gani.
How much?
150, ma'am.
150. 150, so that's what? $3.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, Paul.
Thumbnail. Okay.
Okay, Paul. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, peanuts. Oh, peanuts.
Ma'am, si Mark, ma'am.
Hi, Mark.
Iano mo daw si Mark sa ano, ma'am, sa Canada, ma'am.
No, I'm from the US.
US.
Yeah.
I'm from Philippines.
So what's your name?
Mark.
Mark. Mark, I'm Imelda Ska. So say hi.
Ayan, ano sila?
No, I'm from the US. What's your name?
Jessica.
Jessica. I have a friend, Jessica. There you go.
I'm
you, ma'am.
Ray. Ray.
Oh, Ray.
Sharon. Sharon.
So Sharon. Hi, Sharon. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Ray. See? Oh, they have hay. Hey, you guys. They have shake. You want shake? Hey, you want some shake?
Yes, please.
You want some shake?
Yes,
You want shake?
Yeah, I want.
Okay, I'm gonna do your shake on my vlog. So you're gonna
Sharon.
make the shake. So what is this? Mango? Mango shake.
Mango shake.
You want a shake? Mango? That potato chips is so crispy. Hey Mark, you did a good job on the chips. Oh, no, that's Paul.
George Paul.
Paul, you did a good job on the chips. They're so crunchy. Wow. Look at that. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and hit that notification button so that you will get notified for the next video. So good night from Valencia.